Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a menu. Now the first thing you're going to do once you log in is go to Change Theme and then click on Menu. As you can see, there's no menu created yet, so we're just going to create one. So once you create the menu, I named it New Menu. Whatever pages you have here on the side, I only have one page, it's called the sample page. I'm going to check the box and then click Add to Menu. Now let's say I want to add a contact menu under here. We're just going to name it Contact and then click Add to Menu. So as you can see here, it says contact, and then once you create the page, you just type in the URL. And click Save Menu. You can also manage locations. So your primary menu, you would have to set it as New Menu. And you have the secondary menu, the footer menu. If you would like to create a footer menu, you can. As of right now, we only have one menu, so I'm gonna put New Menu and I'm gonna click Save Changes. And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.